Everything is ready and set up to execute our attack script. Let's go into Atomic Red Team and let's execute this art-attack.ps1 script. Now, same thing again, we need to run it as the administrator. Let's go and open up PowerShell administrator here again. Say yes. This is going to execute a script that is going to download the Atomic Red Team framework. And once it's downloaded, it will then execute selected Atomic Red Team techniques, or also called atomics, to simulate a realistic attack that malicious software or threat actors often execute on Windows systems, which is what we are going to investigate after that. Let's do /ART and hit tab to autocomplete. So now we have the art-attack.ps1 script selected. And now if we click enter, we can now execute the attack script. So again, this is going to download and install the Invoke Atomic Red Team framework. This will probably prompt us to install additional dependencies, which is something we need to manually confirm. Now here you can see it's downloading the framework. Okay, so here you can see it's asking us to install a NuGet provider. So yes, we want to do that. Y and hit enter for yes. Now I can see it's downloading additional files. So now if you hit enter, it will show the next logs again and then start the attack simulation. You might have to hit enter to just make it proceed in the background. Sometimes that's not required or necessary, but if you don't see anything happening for a while, then just hit enter and it will then start the atomic execution, as you can see here. So here we have our first atomic test that is going to be executed. Now done executing here, you see the next one executed, done executing here, see the next one executing. So this will go on for a couple more of these atomics and then we should be finished. Now it's a couple more tests that are executing, scheduled tasks, services. It's also now a notes window with a pop-up. So this one we don't click on closing the notepad tab, but we can click the pop-up and say okay. All right, so here you can see, don't close notepad, but go back in PowerShell. You can see that done executing the last test. So that means the script has successfully finished. All our atomic tests, or I should say also attack techniques, are executed. Now this is considered we consider this now as a compromised environment. We have some attack patterns on there. We have some malware on there. It's friendly malware. It's just a simulated attack. So there's nothing really malicious on there. But now we can treat the system as a compromised system. And in the next steps, we'll now go ahead and actually start with our forensics process that starts with the acquisition of the data. And then we'll move into the analysis part. So stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video.